Do today is to find out if we were to create an HTML template and we don't want to spend too much time developing it, creating it, or coding it, how about replicating some of the templates that you've already received, right, from another company? So we're going to take a look at how that can be done quickly through simple applications. There are few things that you would need. Number one, the email client that you're using, which is like the Outlook Express or Thunderbird or any other system that allows you to receive emails and send out emails. You need to find out if that particular email client of yours allows you to work on such a system, right? Now, would it allow you to have such a function? If that is there, then you probably can quickly replicate others' template and make some alterations quickly and use their coding for your own email template, for your own email campaign. Well, let's take a look at it. Imagine we're going to take a look at some of the designs that are already coming in. You can see eBay now. We also see Infibeam, and we will try and pick up the one that is actually good, something that would fit in your requirement. So if ICICI Bank's template seems to be the one that you want to pick up, you may also do that, right? So let's say if we were to replicate the ICICI Bank's template, what are we likely to do on a Mac and an email client like Airmail, right? So we're going to go back to the messages here on the tools messages, and on the messages we're going to click on a button, click on an option which says send again. So I'm going to click on that, and when you see that the template loads up into a new window, we now need to figure out how to get the codes out of this. So there is this option called HTML. Click on the HTML, opens up the panel on the left, and you will see the entire code. Select the entire code, copy that on, and then if you have an interface like for example you have an email editor, you can quickly open up an email editor and see how that format works for you. So I'm going to open up an email editor right now, right? My email editor is Hyperedit. I'm going to pick up Hyperedit, right? So when the panel opens up, whatever we copied from Airmail, I'm going to paste that in. Since there are pictures, it's going to actually log on to your internet, so I've given access to it. Here we go. Now imagine if we were to change this, and this is a picture, so you can replace the picture quickly, and wherever you see the text, you can also change the text. So this entire template seems to be like an image. You could see that this is a text, and so is the disclaimer, an entire text. So if we were to make some changes to the text part, you can always go back here and make some changes, yeah, which is to opt out newsletters, which is what you see here. To opt out newsletters, please unsubscribe. So that's the text part. We can actually change that. And if there is an image, and you could see that the image source, wherever your image source is hosted, you can replace that image with another image source, and quickly the image gets re-altered. And if you see some details, yeah, and you want to modify them, now as you could see, this is how you modify the template. Alright, perfect. So now this is exactly what we have changed, and you can see that the template is already going through the changes. So wherever you see an image, try and replace that with another image, and that's how you quickly replicate others' template without any coding. Happy learning.